Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you what are the ID in HTML. This is almost same concept of class, but there are some difference. So guys, if you are new on this channel or in this videos, and I will tell you that we started a new course called HTML course for beginners, and on my channel Iron Tech. So you can go to my channel and go to playlist section and check out the playlist HTML course for beginners and start learning. And if you want, I uploaded different courses like Canva designing course and printers marketing course. So if you want to earn money by learning short skill, then you can also check out these playlists. So let's get started towards the video. So our topic is ID in HTML. So I open the Visual Studio Code. So I created a new file and named it as html id.html. So what are the HTML ID? HTML ID is a unique way to identify an HTML elements. And what is the difference between HTML ID and HTML class? An HTML element may have more than may have assigned one class, like three HTML elements have same class, but in ID only one HTML element access to one unique ID. That's why it is different. It is just a slightly difference, but it is very important. So I again made a HTML document, and we do not this information, and I write here HTML ID, and let's see what happened in the browser. So as you can see, I write in title HTML element, so it is shown here. After that, um, I assign h1 and heading first and paragraph second, and I assign unique IDs like IM and ID is equal to SS. So again it is related to CSS, that's why I use style tag in the head, which is also called external CSS, internal CSS. And one more thing, class can be accessed with dot, but ID can be accessed with hashtag and ID name IM and then selector. These brackets are called selectors. And here I change the color aqua, background color like black, and then second ID SS, color antiquita, background color black. That's it. Control S, and let's see what's happened. So as you can see, the changing is done. But what if I assign same class IM to both? Control S, and let's see what's happened. So it is working. But it is working, but it is not a good practice to make the to assign same id to both of the elements. So that's it is rule that every html element has unique id. So that's why we assign it a unique id. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn this course, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.